Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today with a quick share. I got these strips, scrap pieces of paper, some strips of scrap pieces of paper. I'm just cutting them down to about 3 to 4 inches. They can be any width. It's just scrap pieces of paper. I'm going to forward through this, turn on some music, and I'll be back at the end to show you what I assembled. Okay, so I'm just adding those jiggly eyes, and those are my monsters I made out of the strips of paper. So yeah, please follow along on my Halloween series for more videos like these. See you here, and until my next video, shakas!